You go all the way from your head like this is not finished yet. You got to put your head down. This pose you have to complete. And then memorize side pose to the side. So you have to make sure both shoulder, this shoulder face to the ceiling, this arm in front of your body. Look at my arms in front of my body. I'm not on this one. Okay, this pose you got to memorize. And then third pose you got to memorize, supporting one back. So if both shoulder go back, you keep your arm right long, right circle, and then your head look to the elbow. This pose you got to memorize. So when you do the circle, the three poses you cannot skip. If you skip any, this one you did not proper. Okay, not professional. Okay, watch me do once. I will go through all the perfect pose. Okay, I go break. I go down, all the way to my head down, my head up. I move up to second position, perfectly, to the side, okay? And then I move up third position to the back, I turn. I look my arm, I up. I go through the circle, I go through the three poses. You got very careful about three poses. Do one.